This video is going to be how to weld out a broken bolt. Now I have the CDI box unplugged, the ground's unhooked, because you want to keep your ground right to this, as close as you can. You don't want the current traveling through the engine and messing up the bearings. So we're going to set a washer on here, it's just a steel washer. I'm going to weld the bolt to the washer. Now I'm going to weld the nut to the washer I welded. So now the nut is welded to the washer, which was welded to the bolt that was stuck in the case. Now we're going to go ahead and see if it'll unscrew. The bolt's warm. Pull it right out. That's how you do that. This process works with any bolt you get stuck. Put the washer on first, weld the washer to the head, that protects the outer metal, then weld the nut to it, then unscrew it. A lot of times wait till it cools off and it'll come right out. This one did too.